This is not a dream.
Is it cute?
Oh, yes, so cute. But I have no idea how to take care of him.
You only
Toto, the little bird.
give him milk every day.
No, I will
No,
check
no,
the.
no, no,
I will check the food.
You will check
I
Google.
will, yes, I will check Google what we can eat, because just now the lady said it's not like that. It's not milk. That is the special food. Special food. Oh my God. That's why. Okay, I will check later. Hi, bird. Little bird. Oh my gosh. Oh, you come to us. Oh, I can take care of you. Okay. Let me check what the food you can eat, okay? Because really I didn't know that. Oh, little bird, so cute you are. Okay. We're watching Michael's training football, okay? He will playing football. We are in the big field in Lapangan Renon. Okay. I don't know if God sent you to us. But I don't know how to take care of you. Let me check your food, okay? Oh, little bird. Michael already gave you name? And your name is Tata. 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 Okay. I put you here, okay? Good job, baby girl.
Please don't give up. Don't ever stop. Love is unbreakable. Forever needing you now.
I really should take shower, okay?
You are the reason somehow. We're unbreakable, so unbreakable.
Okay, get ready.
You go.
Okay, enough. Cool. Good job, my baby bird. Good job. More. Good job. Yum 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 yum. Okay. I got sleep now. Use a blanket. You still want? Okay. The last spoon. Last spoon. Okay. Last spoon. Okay. One or not? Good. Okay, enough. Okay. Okay. Take a nap.